Hi all, welcome to PowerShell for Penetration Testers at Pentester Academy. In this video, we continue to discuss types in PowerShell and we will have a look at typecast and arrays in PowerShell. So, type conversion in PowerShell is done with the help of the cast operator. For example, as we saw earlier, we can use multiple types in a PowerShell. As you can see, the type of variable A here is double. What if we want the output to be an integer? We can simply cast $a to integer either at the time of operation or we can also use it obviously later on. So this is the way PowerShell type conversion takes place. Again, PowerShell is a dynamic typed language. We need not, as you can see, we need not specify the type of variable here, but if we want, we can always do this. Type conversion comes handy when we have to work with different objects or kinds of data sources. For example, we may want to read bytes from a file, cast it to a string, and post it to a network stream. So PowerShell type conversion comes handy in such situations. Now let's have a look at another type in PowerShell, that is arrays. Arrays are everywhere in PowerShell. Commands in PowerShell return an object array. For example, let's try running get child item, and if we see the type of the result variable, it is an object array. Now to create our own array, we can simply use this. The value of array is this. Its length could be determined using the length. The indexing is done with the help of this way, this thing. So it starts from 0 and goes onwards. To create an empty array, prior to that, arrays in PowerShell could have multiple types in a single array. For example, we can have a number, an integer, a string, and a double in a single array. Now To create an empty array, we can use array subexpression. So let's try it out. It is at the rate followed by two parentheses. Now, if we see the type for this, again, it's an array of objects. We can also make an array strongly typed so that it accepts values of only one type. That I leave to you as an exercise. Try creating an array which is strongly typed, that is, it accepts values of only one type. That is all for this video. If you are enjoying your time at Pentester Academy, please do recommend us to your friends and colleagues.